So that's us back from the incredible North Coast 500 trip. I'd just like to thank all the teams that came along and took part. It was absolutely brilliant. So that's the Rust-a-Rome season officially over now. However, I've still got absolutely loads and loads of work to do, well and truly into the bookings for 2019. And today I have quite a busy little day lined up. However, before I get into that, I didn't upload a vlog yesterday, I'm sorry. However, I did film a vlog. I just didn't really have enough to make it into a full day. So here's what happened yesterday. So today, Matty is in Scotland.
Hello.
Hi Matty.
Hello.
Oh, that's for sale, that's for sale, that's for sale. Oh, have you seen the green one?
Does it run?
Hey, you know what? If you want to try Hotwire on Saturday, absolutely. Tonight we are heading to this wonderful steak barn in the middle of, where are we? The St Andrews. So let us take you in. So here we are inside the wonderful steak barn. Cheers guys.
Cheers, guys. Yeah, amazing.
Come with me and I will take you to the lovely
There is something in the office I've been wanting to fix for quite some time. Quite a few things actually I want to fix in the office. However, one thing has been bothering me a lot recently, especially since I just purchased my new fancy backpack from the camera shop below Casey Neistat's office in New York. That is really annoying me. Not the screw, just the fact that the strap is just so tight there and it's going to eventually burst. It's not a big deal, but it's really annoying, and I have a 3D printer. So while the printer is printing, I need to head out to St Andrews. Please start. I know how to fix it. Fixed! Oh no, it doesn't work. It's not big enough. The 3D printer is still printing. Wow. Everybody...
Tonight we are heading to this wonderful steak barn in the middle of, where are we? The St Andrews. So let us take you in. So here we are inside the wonderful steak barn, and we're getting stared at by everybody, so I'm going to stop doing that.